Sure, guys, welcome back to Speaker Now. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ, and today I'm ngihamba the co-host yami la. So yeah.
Yes, sir. Trudy is in the building. Yo.
Yes, I introduce the show. How many times have you Speaker Now?
5 times.
I think I.
Yeah.
So you go.
Yo.
Yeah. So today's Sunday sabuya siphethe album hip-hop, album ka-P.O, album iphume ngoMay, but senze i-review June la because besafuna uyilalela sithi uyizwa kahle la. So P.O ke ekudala bakhona. Maybe uqale nini uzwa ngawo u-P.O?
Honestly, bengamoyanga, yabo. Mina bengamkhathaleli, bengamoyanga nyana. But ngiqale umva kula ngoma ahamba no Pretty Masumpisi. Jehova ngikhumbule nami. And bengamazi noba ngibani mina lo ba.
Yeah.
Until ndiva into yamahamba P.O. Oh, wow.
Yeah, I mean, u-P.O ngiqala uzwa ngayo, it was 2010.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's one guy who oyefunde DUT. So maybe besibuya no music here. So khona ingoma Alicia Keys, Unthinkable no Drake.
Yeah.
So wenze i-freestyle kuleyo ngoma leyo. So ngaqala umuzwa lapho ke. Then ngamuzwa ku 5FM because there was this guy oyene show 5FM. Uselife uselife lo o-DJ. Yeah, oyene show 5FM lapha na. So yena umuntu ephusha kakhulu u-P.O.
Oh wow.
In 2011 early lapho dala abakhona.
Dala ikhona le ndoda.
Dala nama producers amaningi. But ke thina sifuna ukwenza i-review album yakhe entsha la.
Yeah.
Ihloko sayi Take It As Umay. Take It As Umay na iphume ngoMay lapha.
Iphume ngoMay, yeah.
So
and okay. Yeah. Like kule album ne talking about it le album. I think anmazi noba mhlawumbe ndothi uyakholwa too much or what, but because yonke ngokuyimamela kwami na lukhona iline kaThixo oko like yathanazi and stuff like andazi noba likholwa noba intona ndiyazi
thina. I take line yakhe. I think i-music omningi from ama-album akhe la previous there's always something about God because khona lese ngathanda ukusho God bless the God bless.
Yes.
Even record label yakhe ibizwa ngayo God bless the God bless entertainment. So dala nje abakhona because before ubesane under i-record label yase Pretoria because he's based from Pretoria but bizwa ngathi background wase Eastern Cape around I think it's Sikisi.
Yeah,
but based kakhulu ePretoria lapha so i-Cape City record lapha le isayino Blacklist or Navy laba nje ababedume kakhulu lesa sikhathi lesana sale hip hop layer la ngo-2015 le hip hop layer
legend.
Yeah, so bengifuna sketching ngoma ezimbalo like mhlawumbe uzwile interesting mina ngizowasha ama favorites ami but ngifuna uqala ngawo.
Okay.
Mhlawumbe iziphi ozwile ngoma
there is that one ati I think uyayiphi nana
ama features i-feature noma hamba yedwa because ngoma eziningi
feature le ahamba no Kid X.
Kid X
ngiyabona
I am
I am le ka Kid X na le ka who is this? Questa. Yes.
Le ngibonile I think nano music video le ngayibona
yeah.
I'm not sure to music video noma visualizer because asawazi ukuhlukanisa lezi zinto manje.
And babenze nje so
omunye uvele shoot visualizer ibe dope as a music video manje usazi
music video ufike ngoba
useza music video noma seqedhiwe but ikhona le no Questa enye ingoma powerful engizwe ekushwa nami ikhona lezi ezama favorites but kubusabala yiphi enye landela
le kubani ku broke bani nazo broke
nomntwana lo blonde ngibona le slow jam ngibonile ke le enye ingoma emnandi le
So I think so far zezo for me because and no from but from na according to me
Lono Miles
from aka I think I tightly akona ndituthi from maybe I was expecting ba arch ba in upper suka khona till up but asikupanga sonke eza story yabo
uPhidot umuntu opoetic kakhulu so into eniyamele izisho kumele uphendula yena ngengoma udeep la kumuntu lyrical yilabantu abaningi ade chaniwa ama lyricists but into engiyithanda le album engizwile zikhona ingoma athi ukuba slow down akasa rap kakhulu
akasa rap ubuyathi
userapper nangesixhosa ke into entsha ke le because uberapper nge-English nje on so
ndiyamqala nami benimazi nge-English kaloku ba la track le ndithi benimazi la kuyo English athi Xhosa mina bengicima ngumuntu wa maybe ngapha ngaphesheya ngoba
abantu babe nayo confusion especially disame safika
bujoina like joina Lucas uneza vibes lo mjini
no local and uyibambile because I think laqale khona ukuthepha ini kuma route akhe la eSixhosa i-album ephume ngo2024 lebizwa ngegama lakhe Isiphelele album because ukhiphe album ina khona Isiphelele 1 kube khona 2 I think e1 iphume ngo2024 enye iphume ngo2025 so yilapho ke aqale khona ukusebenza nobo Boot Legend Flash so yila athe uphula apha khona even nama features ase Cape Town so uyambona ke manje because before isasayine under i-Caps layer i-record label yase Pretoria besebenza khona amajita amaningi ako Black Lace obani maningi ama-features abantu asebenzena but abase Eastern Cape bengakaze bafake yena so I think yona le into engithanda ukuthi le album usethi ukuthepha kulama route lawa ase-Eastern Cape even though ese umuntu obase kakhulu akho rap English and I think yona strong point yakhe lapha
how strong in English
strong kakhulu
because yabona esiXhoseni ubhayitha nje like uthatha nje athi ubona phinde buya futhi kwi-English how strong kakhulu kwi-English
but yona ngiyithandile because mina I'm not a big fan of abarapper kakhulu ama-buzz aphinde ngidlula kwanje so yabo ingoma ethi ukubala ithinyana njengale ngoma leno umntwana lo Bronze le i-slow jam especially leno Kid X yabo ingoma engaba commercial ngiyathanda ingoma ezimelodic njengalezi ngoma ozenzayo ngoma ezamasingalong sikhona ezifike zibe deep kakhulu there's one song lapha ebiza nge-page
26 page 26
ngoma zama-rappers lezo
bona ungene deep
yabo bakhona abantwana bama-Americans abenza ama-reviews music wasemzansi sidinga bona la because banalaza ama-bar from bar to bar thina asikho lapho sifuna lezi ngoma melodic ingoma
and izibena la message yabo ngoyi melodic amani ibena la message nawe uzoshibe emotionally like uzive nawe ba
yizo-ke lezo but mina ngibale nje ezami ingoma ngizobala this no my ile no quest le until tomorrow I think that is i-best song kwi-album bese kuba ile i-opening song it's leske I know you well so khona interview yakhe ngeke ngayibuka ubekade interview ukuthi DJ Space ku 5FM so wait lo i-album yonke le i-dedicate to ubhuti wakhe so khona ubhuti wakhe I think ubegula ene cancer njalo so album yonke lo i-dedicate yena so lo ngoma le I know you well ikhuluma ngobhuti wakhe ke lo i-deep and isample I'm not sure if le ngoma isample yaphesheya le ngoma angazi ukuthi baqerisha kanjani kama isample le because ngamaphesheya so lo ngoma le ayithwempu I think mhlawumbe mangathiwa ubuye movie lakhe noma i-series yasemzansi ngayi soundtrack yakho so ile ngoma kube nale eno Kid X I am nayo ingoma le ngithandile outstanding ikhona lezi ezinye ka rapper kakhulu kuzonayo khona nebizwe Long Road
nayo no Long Road yes
isingalona ithe ukuthi bese uba ile ne feature le no Miles la ne from ngithande especially verse la lika Miles because awukho easy ukurapper uthi uzorapper ohlula uPdot kwingoma
yakhe
because bambala umzatha bangabuyi
le yanika i-interest phayana because ubani lo rapper kangako man like nale out
but there's also another outstanding feature ekhona no Max le no regret
regret ndiyabona
sarisho Max kuya rapper lapha but I feel like still uPdot lapha na urapper more than Max
ukwazile ke ukhetha features kule album yabo uMax ayikho ingoma engiqomba kabe kuthi uMax akangasinika ya rapper straight to Max
and I feel like uMax beno Pdot baku category 1 bathwempu ba rapper but somehow ifame akazi benze liqiniso industry yasemzansi la ngoba u2 I feel like even into abakhuluma ngayo lapha bayabalisa lapha because I feel like uMax belabo big uMax because uthwempu
suppose ba upraiswa enough akakapraiswa ngoku suppose bambeka sama andazi ngizothi kule level yoba Michael Jackson kanje mhlawumbe
basemzansi I think must mention mhlawumbe abo AKA even wesikumazi so ekhale before bona because uMax waqala nabo pro
yabo
but I think ama-followers akhe akazi wathola emzansi nanomsebenzi wakhe into enye engiphinde ngimshaya ngayo i-catalog yakhe ayikho ningi especially umsebenzi wakhe yena ama-projects udume kakhulu
ngama-features mostly I
think mhlawumbe yona into
maybe kufuneka akazijonge yena nayo Max if you have a bra please kakuzisebenzele wedwa maybe
but when we artist this is something enhlezi isho ama-artist kunama-artist are good ukuthi ba ama-artist but abakwazi mhlawumbe ukumanage la thothi ugood kwi-art kuphela anti ku-music kumele ukwazi ube sema-pagini ube kuma-photoshoot ube kuma-interview umazi akayona umuntu number 1 akwafuna ama-interviews so enye into mhlawumbe iphindile imazi ibrand yakho ukuthi naye akayena lo muntu but uNtswempu when it comes to art kwakuthiwa nje naye Mike ebamba lo rapper abanga-rapper against uMax rap emzansi
uNtswempu kakhulu Max uNtswempu kakhulu
so ino regret it is one of the ingoma leyo but there's a song Xhosa Crap abantu abaningi ababuya le show bayazi I'm a big fan of Xhosa Crap because indlela nje ecrap ngana nendlela isimple so I was able to ngizuphi dot ethepa yena kuXhosa Crap ngigijima ngesixhosa lapho so there's one song ibizwa I think Hard Knocks Intswempu ke leyo ngoma ke leyo Intswempu ke leyo I think nje mhlawumbe idinga i-remix i-remix ibizo lapha mhlawumbe abo Flash
abize no
zonke lezi ase Western Cape na Eastern Cape engathi za pop especially Xhosa Crap
ngahle ngafaka nalamjida ngibanane CPT
wase Cape Town baningi ingxabano khona Kid Kapa umuphi lo
khona ubani CPT kodwa ngapha iya rapper le iya
rap ku crap na because le I crap le
i trap nayo ngahle bangamfaka pha naye and
okay when it comes to ama producers abaningi uba mention lana khona uKaizer Beats uyaziwa uKing Tips uGriza Siseko Red Button wesebenza noPro samkhumbula uSkinny the engineer uFrizo uBeats Videos kunzima ukufunda amagama oproduce kuba uNate uPossible I think Nate Possible amagama akhe abola amagama nendlela abhalwe ngayo ahlezi confuse amagama oproducer but iwona ke laba bavelile ke so mhlawumbe makuthiwa sa compare from ama album akhe because unama EP nama album uPhido Tsubade umuntu obhizi nalama mixtape angekho nobabikho online because khona ama-chat asebenza nawo edibizo okuthiwa uJ Lawless la webhiza full production lengoma yakhe nje yokuqala engu-2010 I Cried I'm sure wawayizwa lo ngoma I think i-producer yena lo uJ Lawless so baningi ama-producer abawakhiphile but awekho online babe okusenda ngo-data file host ukhama kuleyo generation ingoma iphelela lapho
and once ifake ku-data file asekho futhi ku-data file host
expire link phela khona into esikhasha ama-link asa-expire so when it comes to mhlawumbe ama-producer ayekhiphile khona ibizwa nge-Under the Sun nale ngoma leyo enkulu kakhulu ethiwa i-Dear God mhlawumbe
I think ndake ndayiva naqa beningamazi lana beningamazi ba like
because dala bekhona kwisini but naleyo ngoma leyo yayivile big nayo kube yi-Son of Noms I think from lo album elade se-independent khona aqale lapho wabiza album Son of Noms I think uNomsa i-Olet Lucky then wawusiphelele ledi iphumile waphinde ukhipha omunye usiphelele u2 then sekuyile so I think i-chapter yakhe manje usethepine kuma-root akhe nawo isixhosa akhe nawo so yilo bengifuna nje sinikeza ama-views ethu ezo-speaker now because I feel like athi i-hip-hop yasemzansi uPhidothi khona ivara abangamenzeli yona
upha like abamniki la abamphakamiseli kakhulu yabo I think mina siyabethwa ngapha si-states or mandithi ngalamazwe because phayana if ever i-artist yavyuba like unalanto wenza lawe bonke baphakama bonke nje awungulo nalo thina sine beef most of the time apha eSA because uqonba
even ama-fans I think as ama-fans especially lawo ama-fans siphinde sibe picky kakhulu sihambe nomuntu oyi-1 singabe safollowa anyone
abanye sabafuni
because mawuthi ucheck ama-numbers online nama-comment uPhidothi everyone uyazi ubuya rapper but somehow ifame lakhe akananga leyo ndlela mangathi uPhidothi wenza ishow abantu ngeke bephula up ngezithiwa mhlawumbe kwakuthiwa maybe uCasper wenza ishow nani but bayamazi ubuya
yes or Nasty C kanje Nasty C noPhido yabo
abantu abane-following serious yabo Nasty C but when it's coming to art I think one of the outstanding rappers akhona but I'm happy ukuthi ngibonelo ikhipha ama-project not just singing because umsebenzi wakhe uzomkhulumela even engasekho because ama-Americans amaningi aloku ya-catch up again ama-reviews wabona ku-YouTube abakhuluma ngoPhidothi baningi because and izibona because bayamuzwa ukuthi uthini because of English lapho ibaleke khona ke English
yazi ingenzeka yilonto ke isithatha lonto le ingenzeka ba la English too much thina sikomba
yeah but ngiyangifisa ukuthi mhlawumbe emzansi singaba nabo abantu aba-analyze lama artists even nanga English because abo lama Americans sometimes bawenza ama reviews but khona abanga-understand lapho because ezinye izinto ezikhuluma zamabhazi so izinto ezilocal ezinye slang so even bazi English but ezinye izinto zabamiss because aba-understand just like le album kunamaline esixhosa abazuwezwa so bona bazofocus kula mabhazi lawo English so I think ibalance leyo but nje I'm happy ukuthi ngimbone sakhipha i-project especially enengoma eningangaka usaqhubeka but ngangizoke interview yakho theni no sathi safuna ukuchilla nami because ufela ngathi igame akazi menzela ivari so le album yakho safuna ukuchilla and usandoba ne-first born yakhe so safuna ukufocus because ushade nomrapper lapha khona ubalo sisade nguTasha ukhona kuma projects khona i-album yakhe before I think uTasha Hendricks unkosikazi wakhe ke lo uyarapper ambalwa ke abantu ube no wife ye-rapper I think wena futhi uyi-manager yonke company yakhe because behind izinto eziningi nama-visual but ukhona ngeke ngambone yini into edlalayo inimbi Pidot ukhona lapha uthole because uyi-actor as well yeah but bengifuna nje sinikeza ama-flowers album yakhe maybe mathiwa si-rate so inika ba
no I can give it 10
yeah
I loved it
yeah
seriously
yeah we speak now sinomona nama-marks I think ngayinikeza nomo 8 just because only 12 tracks yabo ngithanda i-album ezoba nengoma eningi but one thing mhlawumbe before sivale ngifuna uyimenshina kakhulu into engithanda kakhulu about uPidot indlela understanda ngayo i-project la uPidot mawulalela i-project yakhe nama-interlude kunama-intro kunama-outro yabo kunama voice note la uya-understand i-structure se-album
akuvele nje because and i-tracks zakhe unyanisile kulo part i-track yaxa iphela enye like ayipheli nje kuvela enye ngenye nje iphela smooth kungene
nama-skits abantu abelo bethetha
kungene something dope nayo nje kakuhle
so na i-structure se-album leso manje aba-rappers amaningi sibevele besinikeze amasingile umuntu esinikeze amasingile awu-18 ethi album akuna-sequence yoyibona uma uyilalela nje ngathi ulalela ingoma eyodwa
uthetha ngenye into ngapha wayesinesikandalo esasehle ngo-2012 ngapha uthetha
but i-album azwakali izi-album izinto ezinjalo ezomsubizwa kuthiwa ama-EP because bavele bathi ama-album isikipele ingoma so iyona into engithanda ukuthi usenayo la element ye-album so no hayi here I think ithina sakhamisela soqumbu lapho siyakuzwa ngapha kuqumbu because
sikuva kakhulu bro please keep up the good work useze kahle kakhulu especially ngokungena esiXhoseni please man cela kakhulu ba esiXhoseni
sayifuna iXhosa rap lapha libe khona noma music video nyana remix nyana futhi sibone nje kuphithizela ama local
and I can hop in ku remix so
producer so yeah period sivala lapho so speaker nawe sure uthi uphinde ube uspeaker nawe sokubiza I think maningi ama-album azophuma this year from Eastern Cape nase-Western Cape Cape Town ikapa liyamove yeah so
liyamove ikapa
so kubiza
Eastern Cape is sleeping ikapa liyamove
but kuyafana ikapa ne-Eastern Cape into eyi-one
but andibona mabese beyenza like abayenze as if into eyi-one
but wonke umuntu ongale uqhama from Eastern Cape it is my point so
yeah
so sure hayi sivala lapho ku-speaker nawe sekhona on Twitter ethi speaker nawe sikhona Facebook speaker nawe TikTok speaker nawe show away we out
danko